What's up, YouTube? Khalid here. Today my guitar just arrived. I'm gonna do a little quick unboxing video. This is the guitar that I got. I came out about two months ago, and it just shipped like last week from Spain. It's a Solar 7-string X. Let me see. I'm pretty excited. Let's see. This is my second Solar guitar. Let's see. Really nice. See, it came with this box right here, but it has a hard case. So a cat. Let's see. No. Oh. Let's see. I'm trying with this. It came from Spain. Rip this thing off. Oh man, look at that. Hell yeah, brother. I think this is the first 20, man, I think it's a 26.5-inch scale. Solar X with the Floyd line burst green, like the dime guitar. Let me see. Oh, man, this is pretty crazy, man. As soon as it came out, I got it the day after, I think. I was having trouble getting it, ordering it, because I always have trouble with the Solar Guitars website for some reason. Going on, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. I'll put my phone down for a second. Well, you just look at that. It's beautiful. I think this might be the first video on YouTube of this guitar, for actual customers. I know Ola did a video of it when it first came out, but I pre-ordered it right when he announced it on the website, and it came like 2 months later. So I've been waiting for this thing forever, and I think it was delayed a couple weeks. It was supposed to ship on July 10th, and I think I got it on May, so July 10th, and it's July 27th, I think. Yeah, July 28th. But look at that. It's beautiful, huh? A little out of tune, but we'll work on that. Look at that. Oh, man. Look at this thing. Push, pull. 2 pickups. Man, I think I paid $13.99 for it. Slightly less than what I paid for the other Solar V with the Evertune. Anyway, just a quick overview. Look at the color on that thing, matte. For some reason I thought it'd be gloss, but it's matte, which is beautiful. Look at the edges on it, and look at the back. Ooh, look at that. On the phone it looks brighter than it is. It's quite a bit more darker. I guess it's with the lighting, but anyway. Thanks for watching. I'll do videos of how it sounds and how it plays later on. I gotta set it up a little bit, because I like to always set up my guitars. I know what I like. Yeah, it looks like a 26.5-inch scale, I think. Maybe 25.5. I gotta really look at the specs again. Passive pickups. I bought letters for this thing because I like having to be able to see the fretboard. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.